Welcome to this video on Agentic CMS, where I will demonstrate how easy it is to create microsites in content.ai and spin up a new microsite with Agentic CMS. So we will show first how the microsites are created, and then I will use Agentic CMS to create and spin up a new microsite. I will do that with Sarah, and Sarah is now struggling in her current CMS a lot with creating new websites. It takes her ages to spin up a new one, and then she basically misses the whole momentum of, for example, promoting a new event of a product. What I've done, I've created a content type microsite structure where you can choose a different layout for the microsite, a different navigation, and of course the content of the microsite, as you can see here in this short video, where you can choose different themes, and of course you decide how the themes don't. The designs are not mind-blowing. Sorry for that. I'm not a really good designer, so please excuse me for that. But of course, that depends on how you spin it up. You're completely flexible on doing that. So let me now show you how that works. I have here content.ai. I have here the same microsites. I can change the theming here on the right side. It directly will change the preview of the microsite, so you can also preview what you're doing. And it also has the navigation, so you can create directly new navigation to the microsite. And you can also see the site structure of the microsite itself, and you can navigate between different previews in content.ai. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new microsite based on this conference, the Community Health Wellness Conference, and we're going to use Agentic CMS to do that. I have already spin up a collection to help me organize all the content of that campaign. So I've created a collection for that so that I can organize the content nicely in that. And now if I open that filter, it only has the banner. So let's now use AI to help us spin up the new website. So now I've asked, hey, can you create a microsite based on the template and also create two subpages, one for the agenda and one for the registration, and all based on the event. So it will also help me directly write the content on the page itself. So nice, it has created my microsite successfully. Let's see what it has created. Let's go to the content. It has already still my filter on, and it has now created the microsite and two pages. Let me open, for example, the conference agenda. You see here on the left side also the navigation of the website. It has nicely an agenda. If I open the registration, it created the registration page. Nice, even with a form to register. And now I can, of course, review it, push it to the workflow, make some changes, and then it really speeds up your way of working. So to summarize what we have done, I showed you how easy it is to create a microsite template in content.ai and to basically spin up a new one with Agentic CMS. And you ask Agentic CMS to do it, you go for a cup of coffee, and in the meantime, it will be created. It also eliminates IT dependency if you create teams, so that you can basically create your own websites. You have the components that you can drag and drop. And now Sarah is happy with content.ai. The agile content management system with Agentic CMS helps her spin up microsites very easily, so she can ensure brand messaging, but she's also can directly act on new events, on new products, launches. Now, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please react on here below, and see you next time.